Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Imas Mesari Putri and here I will presentation Project Advanced Grammar Part 2 Study Case Assignment. Okay, for the first, the tense aspect system. Okay, for original version, last week Rina is attending a grammar class where the lecturer explained the tense aspect system in detail. He say that tense is show time while aspect is describing how an action happened. Rina had read the material before she come to class, but she still did not understood everything clearly. While the lecture was talk, some students are asking questions and others was taking notes. By the end of the session, the lecturer has give many examples and Rina feel more confident, although she still has confused about some parts of the lesson. For the corrected version, last week Rina was attending a grammar class where the lecturer explained the tense aspect system in detail. He said that tense shows time while aspect describes how an action happens. Rina had read the material before she came to class, but she still did not understand everything clearly. While the lecturer was talking, some students were asking questions and others were taking notes. By the end of the session, and Rina left more confidence, although she still felt confused about some parts of the lesson. Okay, for error analysis, the tense aspect system. For error in original sentence is attending, explain, say, is show, is describing, happen, have read, come, did not understood, and walk was talk. Okay, for correct sentence, attended, explained, said, shows, describes, happens, had read, came, did not understand, and was talking. For why it's incorrect grammar reason, for the first last week shows past time, so simple past is needed. For the second, the sentence is in the past context. For the third, past tense is required. For the fourth, tense is singular, so the verb must be singular. For 5, general fact, use simple present tense. For 6, action is singular, so the verb needs s. For 7, past perfect is needed for an earlier past action. For the 8, past tense is needed after before. And for the 9, after did not use the best verb one, and the last afterwards the verb must use inform. Okay, for the progressive aspect original person, yesterday Andy was sitting in the classroom while the lecturer is explaining the progressive aspect. The lecturer say that this aspect is used to describe action that are happening now or at the moment of speaking. While Andy is listening, his friend was talking and are not paying attention. One student is say that he is not understanding the lesson because he did not focusing. The lecturer was give more examples and is trying to make the explanation clear, but some students are still confused about the topic. For the corrected person, yesterday Andy was sitting in the classroom while the lecturer was explaining the progressive aspect. The lecturer said that this aspect is used to describe action that are happening now or at the moment of speaking. While Andy was listening, his friends were talking and were not paying attention. One student said that he did not understand the lesson because he was not focusing. The lecturer was giving more examples and was trying to make the explanation clearly, but some students were still confused about the topic. For error analysis progressive aspect, error in original sentence is explaining, say is listening, was talking, are not paying, is say, is not understanding, did not focusing, was give and confused. Correct sentence was explaining, said, was listening, were talking, were not paying, said, did not understand, was not focusing, was giving, and confused. Why it's incorrect progressive aspect? For the first, the context is in the past yesterday. The second, past tense is required. The third, past continuous is needed in the sentence. The fourth, friends is plural, so use were. The five, past continuous should match the past context. The six, incorrect verb form use simple past. Stative verbs like understand are usually not used in progressive form. After did not use verb 1 or use past continuous for that context. For the 9, after was the verb must use ing form, and the last confused is the correct adjective for feeling or states. For the perfect aspect original sentence, Siti is studying the perfect aspect for her grammar exam. Last night she has finished her homework before she got to sleep, but she still feels confused about some example. Her lecturer has explained this topic many times, yet Siti did not understand it completely. She said that she had shown similar sentences in her textbook, but she still did not how to use them correctly. By the time she finished studying, she has made some progress, although she still has not fully understand the lesson. Corrected person, she was studying the perfect aspect for her grammar exam last night. She had finished her homework before she went to sleep, but she still felt confused about some example. Her lecturer had explained this topic many times, yet Siti did not understand it completely. She said that she had seen similar sentences in her textbook, but she still did not know how to use them correctly. By the time she finished studying, she had made some progress, although she still had not fully understood the lesson. For error analysis, perfect aspect. Error in original sentence is studying, has finished, go, feel confused, has explained, did not understood, have show, did not know, has make, has not fully understand. Okay, correct sentence. Was studying, had finished, when, felt confused, had explained it, did not understand, had seen, did not know, had met, and had not fully understood. Why it's incorrect perfect sentence? For the first, last night requires past tense. After had, use the past participle verb 3. Past tense is needed. The sentence is in the past context. After had, use verb 3. After did not, use the base verb 1. Seen is the correct past participle of see. Correct form already but paired with incorrect tense sequence in context. After had, use verb 3, and past perfect requires had plus verb 3. For the last perfect progressive aspect, original person. This week, Woody have been studied perfect progressive aspect in his class. His lecturer have been explained the topic since Monday, but Woody still do not understand it well. He has been trying to complete the exercise for hours but is not getting the correct answers. Yesterday he said that he has been work on the same task all day but he still cannot solve it. The lecturer was giving more explanation and has been encouraging the students to practice more so they are improving their understanding. Our corrected person this week, Woody has been studying the perfect progressive aspect in his class. His lecturer has been explaining the topic since Monday, but Woody still does not understand it well. He has been trying to complete the exercise for hours, but he is not getting the correct answer. Yesterday, he said that he had been working on the same task all day, but he still could not solve it. The lecturer was giving more explanation and has been encouraging the students to practice more so they are improving their understanding over time. For error analysis, perfect progressive aspect. Error in original sentence have been studied, have been explained, do not understand, has been tried, has been worked, cannot solve, was giving, has been encouraging, or improving explanation. And correct sentence has been studying, has been explaining, does not understand, has been trying, had been working, cannot solve, was giving, has been encouraging, can improve explanations. Why it's incorrect grammar reason? Present perfect progressive use has been plus verb ing. After has been, use verb ing. Budi is singular, so use does. Perfect progressive requires verb ing. Past perfect progressive is needed in the past reporting. After modal verbs, use the best verb. Correct form but tense consistent must match the paragraph. Correct structure but should be checked with surrounding tense consistence. The sentence needs a modal for logical meaning, and the last countable noun should be plural because it refers to more than one explanation.